We are here today to show you the Orbi Quad-Band Mesh WiFi 6E system, the world's first quad-band mesh system with Wi-Fi 6E. In other tri-band mesh systems, you have 3 Wi-Fi bands, one 2.4 GHz and 2 5 GHz bands. Now, with Quad-Band Wi-Fi 6E, you get access to an exclusive new 6 GHz Wi-Fi band, along with existing 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. Quad-Band provides a dedicated connection between the router and the satellite to make sure you get the same speed at every corner of your house, including 2 times faster Wi-Fi as compared to Wi-Fi 6. The Orbi Quad-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6E system provides speeds reaching up to 10.8 gigabits per second and capacity for up to 200 devices, making this system ideal for distributing multi-gig internet throughout your house. The box shows you all of the new and key features of your Orbi Quad-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6E system. Listed on the sides of the box are the port descriptions for the router and the satellites of your quad-band system. Here, on the other side, you will find information about the Orbi app that you can use for easy installation and device management. The back of the box highlights benefits of the all-new Wi-Fi 6E technology, with dedicated backhaul, providing smoother streaming, gaming, and video conferencing for all your devices, especially when working from home. Listed on the bottom are what's in the box, software features, and tech specs for the Orbi Quad-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6E system, along with information for technical support. Now, let's take a look at what we have in the box. Let's get started. You'll first see the Contact Us card to ensure the best experience with your product. Next, you'll see the Quick Start Guide that will instruct you to download the Orbi app, which you'll use to install the Orbi Quad-Band router. The back of the Quick Start Guide includes a reference for the contents in the box and a visual overview of the features on your products. Carefully remove the router and satellites from the packaging and plastic covers and set them aside. The router will have a label to easily differentiate from the satellites. Underneath the unit, you will see the accessories box. This box includes an Ethernet cable, which you'll use to plug into your current internet service provider device, like a cable modem, in your home. You will also find the power adapters for your router and satellites. Let's look at the router. On the back of the router, you can see there is a new 10 gigabit internet port to connect to your internet service provider's modem, which ensures that you'll get the fastest speed from your internet provider available today or in the future. You will also see the new 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, which can be used as a wired backhaul. You also get 3 gigabit Ethernet ports. On the back of both the satellites, you can see one 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port and 3 gigabit Ethernet ports, which can be used for wired connectivity to other IoT hubs, printers, network storage, and gaming devices. You can follow the step-by-step process using the Orbi app, available for iOS and Android. This makes installation super easy and helps you manage your home network, check speeds, list of connected devices, and do firmware updates. The Orbi app also provides a security solution, NETGEAR Armor, to protect your connected devices against cybersecurity threats, and smart parental controls to help in building good digital habits for kids. Check the video in the description below to learn how to install your Orbi Quad-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6E system. To learn more about the Orbi Quad-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6E system, visit netgear.com/home/Wi-Fi/best-Wi-Fi. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.